अब इसका बनाया नीचे.
I'm doing like this too.
Are you
I'm
doing
following
good?
you.
Yes. Wait.
See?
New girlfriend.
New pair, yeah. She's my wife.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, I was
yeah.
the old. They were the new.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
I am Lois.
Lois. Nice to see you, Lois.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you
Very
having
good.
a good time?
Beautiful, beautiful.
You have a lovely wife.
Oh yeah, and children
you.
too.
Are you gonna- are you gonna-
grandchildren.
Are you gonna keep her?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. How many years? How many years?
Almost 40 years.
40 years. My husband and I are 56 years.
My
I think I
grandchildren.
should get rid of him. Your grandchildren are all here?
Yeah, all family.
Oh, nice.
Pretty much almost.
Very
All
nice.
family.
Is this family?
No.
No.
Something.
Oh, they're over
Walking
there.
around.
Well, we take any family we can get, right?
Oh yeah, we are.
Okay.
Same family. We're all one. Yes. It's so nice to meet
Nice to
you.
see
Yeah, okay.
Lovely.
My new friend.
थोड़ा उसके साथ. अब इसका बनाया नीचे.
I'm doing like this too.
Are you
I'm
doing
following
good?
you.
Yes. Wait.
See?
New girlfriend.
New pair, yeah. She's my wife.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, I was
yeah.
the old. They were the new.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
I am Lois.
Lois. Nice to see you, Lois.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you
Very
having
good.
a good time?
Beautiful, beautiful.
You have a lovely wife.
Oh yeah, and children
you.
too.
Are you gonna- are you gonna-
grandchildren.
Are you gonna keep her?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. How many years? How many years?
Almost 40 years.
40 years. My husband and I are 56 years. I
My
think I
grandchildren.
should get rid of him. Your grandchildren are all here?
Yeah, all family.
Oh, nice.
Pretty much almost.
Very
All
nice.
family.
Is this family?
No.
No.
Something.
Oh, they're over
Walking
there.
around.
Well, we take any family we can get, right?
Oh yeah, we are.
Okay.
Same family. We're all one. Yes. It's so nice to meet
Nice to
you.
Yeah, okay.
Lovely.
My new friend. God bless you.
Okay. Thank you.
And go ahead and stay married.
Okay. So
Oh yeah.
thank you.
Oh yeah. Of course. My mom. My mom is still married too. My mom, and my father, they have friend, my friend too. Beautiful time.
How old is your mom? How long is your mom?
Almost 1995.
Okay, my husband is 84 and I'm 76.
You're a baby. 10 years difference.
Oh,
Yeah, compared
yes.
to your husband.
Yes.
Where is your husband now?
He didn't come with me today. This is the first time in my life that I went anywhere without my husband.
Oh, by yourself, huh?
Well, with my
Where do
daughter.
you live?
But I feel really
Your daughter
guilty. Here she comes, look.
She?
Yeah? Can you
Wow,
tell me?
उधर
She
दिखाओ
look like me?
अभी आ रही हूँ इधर ही आ रही हूँ.
Just like me.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Take a picture.
Sayed.
Nice to meet you. All right.
Bye.
Hi, wife. Awesome.
Where is your husband?
Oh, he's working. He's on the road.
Okay.
Always working. And where
Oh
do you
yeah, good. Good for
अच्छा,
money.
वो इनसे बुला रहे हैं बकस.
All right. And where do you live?
I live Morton Grove.
Oh, Martin Grove. Okay. I live in Maywood.
Ekti Road, yeah.
Oak Park.
Maywood, yeah. And she live too with you?
No, I live in Oak Park.
North Park, not Park.
Morton Grove has good high school.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh, number one.
Yeah, they have good high school. Sure.
And how many children do you have?
None.
Ah.
God bless you.
How many children do you
I
have?
have only 2, but grandchildren 6.
Okay, I have 6 children and 11 grandchildren.
Good.
Wow.
Good, good. This is mercy. Whatever. If she has no, one day, if she will get
Okay.
Norton
But at
Grove.
least
What's the name of your high school?
Northwest.
Okay.
By the highway, 1994.
Okay. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
What's the name?
Very nice to have a new friend.
Okay.